I'm Stacy and this is Milo. He is a 2-year-old Dachshund mix. He's very lovable, but I brought him because he was having severe aggression with other dogs. He definitely wasn't great on a leash and basically just bad outside in general. He didn't know really any of his commands. So he's been here for 2 weeks and he's able to be with other dogs and he's totally fine, and which is insane because he was trying to kill every dog that he saw on the street before this. He knows all of his commands and he's such a good boy, right? You're such a good boy. And I would definitely recommend doing it because it's totally worth it. Right? Right? That's right. That's right.
Thank you. Right there. Now go to the other rabbit. Okay, good. Go behind your car. I'll tell you if he moves. Whenever you're ready. That's a good boy, Milo.